This is exactly where all the innovation happens.
And I have been learning so much. Every day there's something new.
It was an awesome experience. I was able to do a lot with food royalties.
Being here at Kellogg's has just helped me learn so much about analytics.
I've never had an opportunity to meet the CEO of a company before, and that was really sweet to feel like we were important enough.
And they're really focused on our development.
And this summer we entered at the Rogers, Arkansas office.
And this is only the beginning.
This summer I had a chance to meet a lot of great people, including interns.
I love the flexibility of Kellogg, so I was able to work cross-functionally in 3 different divisions.
Part of my main project was to create an experience plan for our Keebler Sandies.
This experience has been great. It's really Fruit Looped me into leveraging my network.
And this is only the beginning.
I really think of Kellogg's as being just a place that takes you in. A childhood favorite cookie can turn into a career full of happiness.
I'm really grateful for this experience and all the mentoring that I received. My managers have been so helpful.
I worked with the sales team under e-commerce and category management.
And I really got a chance to delve into some things that I never would have learned in college.
I was able to provide meaningful work that will have an impact on the business and make operations easier.
And this is only the beginning.
So this summer I had the chance to build a lot of great friendships and relationships. One of those was with my manager who worked hand in hand with me.
You get to work with individuals who really care about you, not only your professional goals, but also your personal goals.
They actually listened to the ideas and perspectives that I could add and contribute.
My favorite part of the summer was being able to go to a supplier and see hands-on how our products are made.
I had the opportunity to work on projects that are directly affecting the bottom line of our business unit.
And this is only the beginning.
Innovation.
Opportunity.
Competitive.
Empowering.
Insightful.
Metrics.
Holistic.
Inclusion. Friendship.